Some people, we're gonna get into some things, you know. And the first thing we're gonna get in, my people, are Mackerel and Blinger. I talk about the whole Jabass situation and how him a scare the people them. You know what I mean? Me see a live with him yesterday. I be a black him a black people and a this people. You see me? Cause them a call him thief. Right? So we're gonna get in at that my people. Then we're gonna go over to cheese, you know. Because cheese over sunshine and them a ask the people them for contribute cause them want cheese left which part she there because a bunch of things are going on my people. Like them want do or something or whatever. You see me? So after mackerel we're gonna hear what go on with cheese.
A man ride off. Them love man. MVP, them, pick up your badness. Queen Tasha, thank you. Watch out, something come out. Man, badness, come. Everybody focus on power top. 600 people, come. Everybody power top the screen. Put a flip on the man, but no one flipping on the account of bill. Stop it. Remember me,
Mackerel, you are condole. Mackerel, you are condole.
Power top. Rascal, I don't talk at once.
Guys, I'm going to put up the square. Mackerel, you are condoling slackness.
Power top! Much of them. Power top! Me rascal! Hey, go up on my life.
Alright, gonna keep on just tap the screen. Everybody power tap and roses. Power taps and roses. Come on.
Power top! Whatcha?
Mackerel. The people them over Mackerel side.
Come here, know them bumbo clad people that itch up over here not have the blood clot. We want no leave.
Alright, the people them over Mackerel side. Listen.
The bumbo clad in the head things for. Oh no, come on, go it. And go flip up.
The people them over Mackerel on the top. The people them over me, power tap. Come on, we are playing match. Come. Just focus while
we don't go walk up, itch up over here, come sit down and do what? We don't walk up, itch up and come back, come listen, mix up. Cause I don't want to flip on my head.
Mackerel. Oh yeah, get this the wrong way. Who tell us said them did I look him? It was
3 more rows. 3 more rows. Jesus Christ.
One more roses.
3 presents and 1 rose. I feel about my throat, but in the 500 you could have flipped the 5,000. Very unserious.
Everybody who's sending the rose, thank you. Double my side. Come on, everybody focus. Drop everything. Double. What may I say, Mackerel? This was not a case where them did I look him. He tell them that he can make them make some quick money. Push up his score, double my side, double.
Nika got chuck through in there with a big termite, a be a blood clot flyer. Hey girl, go suck out your bit mother. Hey girl, your mother go come off for this. Go name out your mother ball. You go suck out your mother big, your mother go chuck off in a river and death. Yeah, so go suck your mother, girl. Go suck your mother. You scared mother. Go near my rotten bones. Go near my mama bones. I'm
come on, Nika. Queen Tasha, thank you.
Black Nika for this. Go near mountain. Go shoot them. Gaza black Nika na Gaza ma. I did not tell them for black Nika them finger not fast enough. No sir.
Alright, so back to what I said to you. This was never a case where them did not look him. It was a case where him tell them say him can turn $500 and $5,000 and them money there. And through them watch him, even moderator them. So they never expect that them ever get robbed or scam. They never expect them to get scam. So may I ask you if you condole the foolishness and the slackness?
Bling, I say, I know my pants can't have 500, but don't talk to them people that come. I'm tell you, car. Right now, more them flip one money gonna send 2 way, I'm gonna keep go 5,000. Come on, a blood clot. Awa. Thank you, Amma.
All right, my side, I'm gonna push up the score, please, and thank you now. Push up the score. We need 50K, my side. Let's go.
Man, all of them love, don't talk. Man, them love. You could have come do it. All of me is, you say you want me life pro. Them make you turn life pro.
No, that's why I say, me over here, I beg me, I try one last time, because guess what?
Oh yeah, thank you so much, Shash. So all you gotta tell me, say this in that case of them love, man. Could you come and tell them, say, to make some easy cash, 500 can turn into 5,000? Could you do that? No. A man could have do that. And them did that one thing, them could have get draw. Move. Thank you so much, Shash. Sure.
Thanks, Bella. Jesus Christ, we can't believe
Yes, I
this.
no, remember I only see one to me, them twist up and make on this, go away. Move. The boy na jump chin on the account to right way. The boy should have make on a ball. Jesus help me, please.
Me can't believe that Mackerel uphold with all of this.
Sure, thank you.
Uphold with this, guys.
Sure, thank you.
We can't believe this.
The boy, all him a idiot. Because
Thank you.
that idiot. You know, if you explain to them, you should have made them cry out the storm. You should have made them eyes swell up. To fool. Man in the love, and that to the one in the love, man. You think they mean it come, Blinger? I say, come guys, 555,000. You think they would do it? Yeah, if me come man, I say, come guys, come we are around for top one. You think I'm a look up bit of people and we really love me. You know them people who genuinely love you, them would make you reach up at top one, would try. And them would try for help to make you reach top one. No them girls will love bike, not buy, and then account dry. Move! Move! Nobody never did no one in an indulgement. So why one in the sit on and now get no flip now and come back to weep on it up. Stop it, man, stop it. If you not do it, no call them and now come give me a bling a man no one. Cash you want flip, miss. No cash you flip, girl, you have to wait till it generate, miss, you this?
Cash
you want flip.
Some people, with them rankers, have to be careful with how them address certain things. I know say most of what them do have entertainment and to keep them crowd. So no matter the situation, them are going to turn it either for them own way, just to entertain them crowd. You see me? But them have to really be careful because people are going to say, you don't really care about them. Or just the money you don't care about. Because the way Mackerel are going, you know what I mean, she not show no sympathy or nothing. She just, you know what I mean, kind of defend this youth here. Although I don't know what 100% go on, but you have to sympathize with people more while. You know what I mean? If you don't know 100 what really go on, you just stay upon the fence. If you want to give your opinion, you give your opinion. And just make them know, say, yo, that's my opinion on the situation. You see me? Because she say, the woman them, I want the youth, why them give them money. You don't know that for sure, you understand? Because anybody would want to turn them money into more money. So whatever a person are going to introduce to you, and because them really know him, you see me? Them say, alright, him a do something, make we see what we can do. But these people, them have to be careful because a whole heap of little scam things are going on. So you have to know what you do.
Him not one of my favorite people, but when man see when they can't take people for when man see when they can't take woman for idiot, then take one for idiot. 3 more roses. Chop it, girl, thank you.
My side triple. Well, look, 50K my side. Come on.
Guys, I'm a baby tank, user tank, Rose them coming in
You
late.
could send something at the cash app, please and thanks. Bella, lady luck, big up on yourself. Thank
and
you.
And then you come on the internet, come look sympathy from the rank of them. When nobody in a business, nobody in a business. And come on the internet, come
on. Thank you.
Uno did him moderator and him view and him watch and him gift and go. Uno got take it out with him. We don't business with that over here.
My Victorious. Lord Jesus. So Mackerel, me think you're not upon the people them side. But you look like
move upon them side. They never said more lion it. They never said more interstellar. More just a wheel. Move upon them side. They're bright.
Somebody send her an interstellar and a wheel over there, please. Make sure go understand the people them.
Flip them back again. Hey, flip him and my favorite person. But I would have want him flip them 10 more times. Because if me was the person in your always a call up on things, why I can't find that on so in a use so if me here sibling at always I can take the example. And if me here sibling at always a thief, why would I want give bring my money and me always here sibling as a thief? I'm man in the love. Man in the love. But you want
huh? Don't wake you?
Okay, I get 2 money guys.
Okay.
Guys, we can't beg to do a wheel.
You didn't say I want. Boy, people, guess what? Me nah big up Mackerel, but you know, so she kind of have a pint, guys. She kind of have a pint, you know, because if you look on it for true. If you look on it for true, guys, she just harsh with it. But she kind of have a pint because for true, because we then play a match, and we that tell the people them, we that tell them say, put me up on your star, put me up on the stuff for truth, we don't send it come give us, you know. So the send it go give him.
Kirby will be everyone that come here.
Then again, hold on. Maybe them need the money to in a Mackerel because when them send it come give us, them not get back no money. So maybe that's why.
They don't need no blood clot money. Them not need no money. How much investment place there? See, see okay na the investment. We never able burrito with the investment. I'm mad love.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus.
What? VMBS na do investment. Don't a boy like that. I'm mad in the love. I come out familia. Well, how much day and night? So I have to buy them with 2-wheel chats. Me the blood clot one no wait one name, it's not correct me. You see as long as they know what I am saying, that's the most, that's the important part. Burrito anyway. The investment, you can go buy stocks down there. Make it generate. More no. If I not did I buy. Adriana the blood clot shares. Boy love the shares. Make it generate. VMBS not the shares when you can go buy, make it generate. Oh, fast money, you know what? I buy not the whole. What the boy that choose, you know? Go ahead. Man in the love. Bye. See that bye. All the from the boy. You know, come on, area.
Then Mackerel, wait there now. Even the man too. Even the man where the moderator.
The moderator. In two lie. Me the business about them card him a man and them never come send me to Galaxy. A man them want go give them money. Hey, come on for this, yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna push up his score for me, please. Come, everybody, we are got 50K.
Man, you want to give money? Why? You know what? Come give me a blinger. Look how much money upon the app. You know what? Come give me a blinger. 1 2 well. Your money did not burn a pocket of that shit, dude. Tush, vanish away. So what we do about it now? When you come tell we what is it we supposed to? We no crime fight over here, you know. We no fight crime over here. I'm supposed to say. Sorry, me not chat backwards. We don't fight crime over here. We only listen to 9-day talk. One of the things when you come over here, we're going to get it back. I don't say it word.
No, Mackerel is spreading awareness.
We know spread awareness in them by and that the awareness data spread. Only thing we see from here that you have some little careless girl want to buy. They never support girls like young girls and trying people like we on the app. They want to buy man. Man, they want to buy. What I gonna say, oh, they can't tell people what to do with their money, then don't come on here after the dash on the money. We don't solve crime. Yeah, guys, and I just say truth, me I tell you British. I just say truth. Apple, I just say truth. Apple them not gonna like me in Apple car guess so. I just talk it out, it's coming out of the kindergarten pit. The whole of them. Hey boy, you don't know if you dig out girl, you know, you don't know if idiot one, you know. You make them girl come talk. You make them girl ball. And I say, what is we do? I say, you should not make them girl ball. You know, if you tell them girl about generating an account, you should not make them girl say, Jesus! You should make them girl ball. And I fast and pray. Them girl have too much mouth for go up in a box. Move! We don't want here deaf, we don't fight crime over here. We listen to the business and we give it 2 cents and then it's done. And then something else come take over. Move! One of the things that we that come back, we don't know on the bright scene and how much day and night we have to bleach just to forget one money. Oh, come on for me there. Eh? Come on. We can't work with it. We go find him and tie him up. What we gonna do now? What we gonna do now? We go find him and start fooling you bright. You didn't have many options to do with your money, though. And you chose to give him because you didn't think you could have bumped on him. Well, it never did that work. You know, get away. Man in the love. And that happen when girl them on buy too much. On make man spend pound and spend pound about to know fast cash. I just said true. You have one back named JN. Our partner could have throw with them. Partner. JN. What Jamaica National. You get it weekly, monthly, yearly, anyhow you want it.
Mackerel, this no look good. You see me I say it no look good. None at all. Big man thing. Because him can really finesse them in our people. You see me I say him can really sell them a dream. You understand? And because them are a moderator and them over him life on a regular basis is like them easily, you know what I mean, get trick. You see me I say? Big man thing. Anybody can get trick in a way. Right? So this tasteful what Mackerel do. You know what I mean? And as I said before, my people, some people love an audience and, you know what I mean, them entertain them audience in a different way. So, maybe Mackerel see this as entertainment, but to some people, this is not entertainment.
But you know, 500 turn to 5 million. Look at you. Hey, come out of come on, everyone, alright. Alright?
Why, Mac, you anger them, you cool.
When you come over here, so with it, that's the wrong place. We don't solve, we don't go to no album over here, so. We don't go to no cyber crime, we come over here, so. What you call all that, the crime? What you call all that now? Scammy, we come over, we leave. Hey, Kirby, baby, we move. Be for real though, who give out their password to a stranger? Man them love. You deaf British? Man them love. Man! We can't help you know. We look like 311. We look like 811. We are not Bumper ass cloth to come for you with it. No more man and no love. Curvy, my baby mother, thank you. Right now, me I look too well. I bet you not go give me kawa. Cause me not tell you say 3,000 can flip to 300 mil.
Alright, my side, look, we need 46 more K. Come on.
Right now, we need 7K diamonds. 7K diamonds more. 7K.
Everybody push up the score. We need 46 more K.
Wish we could have seen all the victim them face for post them face and laugh. Them for go for true, man. Them for go for true. Because when them did not give the boy anyhow, them did not give the boy, who didn't know about it? Who should have the fire didn't know about it? None of we never know about it. So now when it now, whatever we're supposed to block, it takes time to generate. If never remember for telling the part there. It takes months to generate.
Your months to generate. What is this? Some mackerel, mighty God. Me don't know. You kinda have a pint, but you're so hard on them. Them lose their money. Some of them rent.
There are big people that have money no want. Anyways, guys, it takes about the boy you fool. Hey boy, please call your blood clot. It takes 6 months to generate. You forgot?
6 months. What is? What is there here on the phone? 6 months? Scary.
Never tell me if you never if never tell you. Why them gives them personal details to the world gone back? Oh, get that speed up for me. Get that speed up. 2 more rows. Man, them love curvy. 2 more rows. 2 more rows. You see what more 7K diamonds, no? That's about 1 sports car. Better no now go give me. What you can go think 500 can flip to 5,000. 2 more rows. And 1 rose cost $1 and you can't give me it. But you don't think 500 can go flip to 5,000. You come out for the media. Mackerel is the mom they never had. Bombo.
But can you imagine? Can you imagine, Mackerel, I want to say you have a point, which you do, but you're so harsh for them, you're not remorse for them.
You're straight in them head. And them think 500 could have flipped to 5,000. You come out for the media. And yeah, turn up in the head and it's so straight like blood clot red light. It's so straight like a blood clot arrow. And yeah, it's straight. And I'm not crazy.
The behavior is distasteful, my people. Me not lie. Mackerel, me just know say she just a put on a show, but you know what I mean. It not sound good, and as I said before, my people, you would look like say whoever, you know what I mean, take anybody money and style. It's okay for them. You understand me? Same thing will go on with the people. More than tell more thing, cause me don't want to say much still. You know what I mean? It's not for these people yeah, overseas them live and them have to pay them rent and all these things. You don't know where these people did want the money for do. Maybe I even forgive back him and him do this to them. You see me, that's messed up. And anybody where condone his behavior, them are the same thing. So many people are go over cheese, you know, and you want to go on with you.
You know about if me I did someone that can go recharge?
Triple my side, don't waste your triple.
On the head. And so, why is it on so educated? On so disagreeable.
Triple my side. Thank you,
on the yard them straight, on the full of diploma, on the have doctorate, on the full of masters, but yes, still 500 could have 35,000.
Because guess what? All the fair woman want to come from you, on a mad.
But all them attack like them want to spill it out over here. That's why the lady say anything happen to cheese are between the baby father and Dan. Because come like them want bring it come here too.
Me hear the people them on a live say, and are the same people them where I come from Dan camp. Them say right now if I go for me put up for cheese, them are gonna contribute. Yeah, and we need to do that. We as women, we need to advocate and do that and make cheese get to move. People, we need to do this. We need to advocate for cheese. Contribute to where contribute for and make she move because our life in a jeopardy.
Yeah, man, if you move, man.
We need to do something for her, make she move. Because the woman talk her story for us on the ear what the woman I go through. Oh, the
Wake
wicked
your shop,
man.
put up with your shop, cheese.
Cheese, you're not begging a mama. But we don't love you if you move, mama. You and your son. We don't want you to move. If you want, put up your cash up and we contribute towards it because we want you to move, girl. You know, safeness so.
You can't pin right here, so you know what help.
Yeah, it's not safe, mama. You understand? And anything happen to cheese, people don't know where it come from. We not use badness to come here on platform on TikTok to make people
China
think
too, you know, me I think about that from last week. Say cheese to move and change her address. Me I
But
think
me
about
text and tell Munchi too.
Jesus.
Yeah, cheese needs to move because people
Sunshine,
need to
you
know
put
this.
up your cash up so the people that must say I'm ready.
Put up with your shop, cheese.
Yeah, cheese, put up your cash up. Look here, I am for the son and me talk for cheese son, but look here now. They must say me take a side. And me not tell a side, me go tell the truth. We need to advocate it because cheese go through a lot in Jamaica. And that's why cheese is like this, people have to understand. Look how cheese done the back, everybody talk to her.
Hold on, Sunshine, hold on.
There. Look how cheese done the back and cheese humble. Go ahead,
If you
Big
don't
Man.
support Sunshine, if you will support cheese with our stuff, you can give at least Sunshine a piece of the gift to a fee we have to charge to, is it?
No, me put man Big Bang, no one nothing. Me want cheese get everything and me want she move. Me want she move Big Bang because me do this from my heart for Big Bang. Because when me hear cheese I cry out for her life.
Here, people are actually cash up, man. Just Sunshine can pin you over for your head.
You know, Sunshine catch eye, Sunshine behind.
Yeah, people we need to come together, help her and make she move. Because this thing ain't look good. Anything can happen to her. And what do you take it down and run with it? You know, to stop it.
And I rejoice.
I rejoice over it. Why we need a one rejoice? Miss one come up, you know. Who want jump down when me take up Miss?
You can't take me down, Sunshine. Me still there.
Sunshine. Me there up on the back of the hill.
Why? You can't hold on. So when somebody come down, let me take her up now. When somebody come down. Me not like that. And me not support it. And the whole of you can chat me tomorrow. And you can class me, but you not hear me. I come get a
Good night, ladies.
Good night.
Good night.
I really empathize with everything that you are going through.
Good night. Good night.
I did not know that this was the severity. First of all, I did not even know these things actually happen in Jamaica. And let me tell you something. You really touched me tonight because I've been watching this thing going on for a long time. And I'm like, oh my God, when this is going to stop? Why are people have to be on the internet like this? But Cheese, you really, really, really touched the core inside of me tonight. I never know so them thing you go on in Jamaica. But you know, one thing me that encourage you for
Sunshine. You might actually cash up.
He's enough cash up, Zell. When I use cash up.
You know the cash up.
You know the Zell.
You hear me say, Cheese? If you
How you see your cash up? You will see your Sunshine.
Thank you, Stacey. Me not cash up.
Then you have the other one, Zell. Or PayPal.
No, make Chase come because you see my cash up my Zell, me have it connect to my phone number. I don't want everybody and my personal phone number there. Yes, so Chase come.
Have Zell.
Come
Chase,
down.
where they call Chase cheese because the people them want your Zell. Now we are going to donate. We are going to donate for cheese and cheese can get some because cheese no beg on the internet. Me never say cheese a beg. Never. So, people say cheers there, cheers. Come up and come type the cash up no cheers or the Zell. That's them can contribute to it. Come on people, this is what we need to do as women.
Behind you. Could have pin behind you.
Yeah, what cheers there? Cheers. She can type it, you know. The girl dumb beg. Me never see cheese company beg. No matter what cheese, them talk about cheese how much rent. Me never see cheese cook alive and I beg and I say I rent on them.
You have no cash up either.
Get a chance. Create one, put in your profile.
Come on, man. So nobody now no cash up, no Zelle, and cheese side to chase here. Alright, let me bring up cheese. Yeah. Make cheese come up and she can go in a big box and pin it. Cheese, go in a big box. Go in a big box and pin it, please, cheese.
Good night. My cash app, let me put it down here. It's because the box is not going to pin.
Sunshine, that's somebody.
Chase, explain to them. Chase, explain to them who you are, Chase, so that way them know who you are.
Black user, black user.
Okay, my Zelle is my phone number, and it's right here. Them already put up the phone number.
But tell them who you are, like what kind of connection you have to cheese, like who are you? That way people.
Everybody's supposed to know who me is.
Everybody know that already.
The people them
everybody knows say I chase this.
Everybody knows say me are over cheese from the
game. Just explain that to the people them.
Yes, big man.
Sunshine. Everybody's supposed to know cheese.
Yeah, we know everybody know cheese, man. Give them your cash up or your Zelle and make them, because people want to contribute, because me I tell you, cheese you touch a whole heap of people since night, girl. When you talk your story, you touch a whole heap of people.
Sunshine, make them take down user. Make them take down user.
I wish you was that. Wish you was that. Nothing nasty user. Where you over here for?
It's a user, right?
A nasty Peter? A dirty Peter?
No. Yeah, find him.
Hold on. Money problem.
Hold on, me go black user.
So I just put my Zelle and my Cash App in there.
Alright, user, you're supposed to black, you're not supposed to comment again, right? Yes. Yeah, people, make we get cheese out of there, make sure go somewhere else. That's nobody know address and cheese. Anytime you look for your business and you move, mama, it's when you send out your cream to anybody at all, don't use your address. That is a trick to it.
Yeah.
Don't use the address. Use a different address.
Me already, I try to start out that fair already, Sunshine.
Alright. Yeah. We are going to help cheese and that we are dealing with over here. So who want vex tomorrow? You can always come bring me down to the ground tomorrow because I not look for you. Because I know what me and
negative people going to do
put a pin in there.
So people, want to tell me what you think in the comment section, right? Because a lot been going on between Dan, Cheese, Sunshine and a couple other people. You know what I mean? And for cheese right now, it seems like say you reach to another level where things might go on, right? So me want to tell me what you think in the comment section. So we're gonna watch some more people and then we're gonna end it.
Cheese not supposed to can do it. Even cheese when you go live, just put it up over your live too, and as people can contribute to our people. As she and her son, I want to see them in a by both way can see it. Then come over here say report and say what them are gonna do to cheese. So you see all them people I tell you something. You feel that no Dan. One Dan me know a Clarendon and God. One Dan me know down a Jamaica Clarendon. And the next Dan, the original Dan, a God. Then they have Clarendon. So what we want to do, we don't know one other thing and them thing that no system no work around here. This is something we need to advocate for. The government needs to know this like one of the girls in Jamaica. Say woman I get beat no. Then can't talk, them have to go try them case. And if they lose them, beat them, kick them down, beat them with light wire, fan blade and them something there. Oh no wicked so. Me never know them thing they are going. Me never know them thing they are going down at Jamaica people.
Look here, Dwayne done actually cash up again. I second time now.
It can, what do you call it?
Cheers, pin it.
I'm gonna try to it can't pin. If a lot of people is in the box, it cannot pin.
Alright, what about put it over your head? What about put it over Sunshine head?
Still up on the line.
Hi guys, hold on.
Monica.
You're a moderator. You could go into the poll and type it in the poll.
Yeah, Big Bang, go in the poll and type it in the poll.
When you press poll,
the Cash App and
you put it in the poll, Bing Bang, and then you start the poll.
Why you give me all this work to do right now when I'm half asleep?
Yeah, we can.
Right, there's a great
Bang, just do that and stop it. Stop this
See the cash
foolishness.
up there in the comments. Is a keep. I gotta just keep posting it.
right, there's a
Oh, yeah, I
green
see it.
screen, the cash up on Zelle.
That's him that's Big Bang campaign it.
Excuse me, I forgot right.
Come on,
Hold up,
people.
in my van.
This
Just
is
talk.
what we need to do as woman. Advocate it for your next woman. Make sure say woman safe. The good man them were out there. Them not gonna get no good woman because they know we're wrong. Through the bad man them walk and be young girl them and them thing there. This need to stop.
Woman power, woman power, woman power, woman power, woman power, woman power, woman power.
That's where I say at girl.
I don't think I know how to do that.
Them too wicked. You don't come and think everybody out there against the girl. Yes, you make sure you pin it. That's cheese can get cheese when they even go live. When you put up with people,
What the hell am I doing with it?
we are
Junior,
go support
you even cancel this live.
cheese.
No, sir, come here.
We are going to
So
support
if Chase up in
Not too
Okay.
wicked. They don't know come over here so about not done do girl I got them something there. Them think they don't walk and portray to people. Yeah? Cause them think they don't want it to people.
Right, that me they ask if the camera.
No, I see it.
Right.
Yes, she posted
Oh,
there.
she's Zelle there now.
Can your phone look more
What is
cheese?
that? Come, just
Take a screenshot of us, cheese,
and
and then
put
put
it
and put the picture up.
flash ride like a doctor do Chase.
Okay, can I show you car? So
What you say?
You disgusting man. We no come
no, you
down
know
and
TikTok
wait
is
for
very
the
sensitive with
turn.
the
No,
car.
it camera gone again, cheese.
I
That's
know
in
them
the
get
car.
up
I'm
and
gonna
talk
take a
about
picture.
people.
It can come back. Hold on.
Yeah. Every day then get up and see people and depend. I can't wait for the 13 to the mere liar depend yesterday morning. Wait until the 13. Wait until the 13. So when I wait for the 13 for.
Oh shit, sorry.
What go to the 13?
What got me 13?
What go to the 13?
The 13 of this month that will be a special day. We're not stupid, me no own ignorant so. TikTok like when me hear you say Saturday say you don't know if it's screen record and you're so brilliant you can give people some good information and you don't know if it's screen record, you fool me. You fool me love. Remember me tell you. Fool me. People, make we come together with help cheese. She's a sister to it from our next mother people. You have to remember say all our way a woman, none of we not perfect. The whole of we will go through anything where she's go through, anyone of we woman could have go through it is just because we don't live in the system like how them live in the system. A whole heap more young girls out there right now, people who is going through the system thing here, and they in the garrison can't talk. And I get we don't like them thing have to stop. So people, the government should know about them thing we are going down at Jamaica. To go in the garrison and go find out them things.
I mean, say so nobody at all no can tell the government nor the police nor nothing. Them have to just take it.
They have to just take beat nails, them have to run away. But me a run away now, tropical. Cause me I tell her, when me hear she say she got through all Kibeli and them sitting there, me, you must be crazy. And then you as a woman, where all of them things they talk about, where you do, you come and promote it. So you expect people to respect you?
And look
Nobody
here
will
now,
respect you.
when the woman turn up saying go and when he go there then say you no come here so and then bin that and then the same night in that and the pan in head Kyle them bounce off. So they normalize.
They love it.
Chase try do it again cause Chase that try do green screen a while ago.
Then put her back in
Too much.
it.
Yeah, right. So you can't see properly.
Do it again, Chase.
And
Where you feel, you feel
put
say,
the whole of that now all.
you have to put in a poll. And Mystic not even there, look like she gonna go sleep. My mother tell
Somebody said them change cash up. Someone sent the money.
Then Big Bang, so yeah, I'm gonna wait and can do that and I know
yes, I
everything
saw
about
it, sorry.
internet.
I don't know how to do that. Somebody have to teach me.
Mystic can do it, you know, but she look like she asleep.
Something we say,
All you have to do first.
No.
Right, you want that poll.
What should I do? Press poll? Where's the poll at?
okay, so which part would I say like when you had a click like you want added people?
Some people, one thing me have to say, she's of a mind what she a say, you know what I mean? Because she no guarantee say she a go stay America, you know what I mean? Because you see where she a seek me people, I know easy something that you know what I mean? Them people don't give a F about certain things. You know what I mean? You know why? Because you have a lot of people I do the same thing. So them know say some of them not real with what them a say. So them try to sieve out the real one them from the fake. And your thing of the extreme. You understand me I say? And only certain and certain things them we grant you that far. You see me? And cheese thing, you know what I mean? Them we no grant her it, them we no give her. And them we give her too. But it depends. You see me? So she have to still mind what she has say, cause if them no give her a same place down at Jamaica, she a go end up and you don't know what can go on. You see it? So you can't to expose certain things. But make me know what you think, my people. Alright, yeah, so me I go end it.